All right, hi everyone. So today we're going to be talking about looped presentation. So a looped presentation is essentially a presentation that's just going to kind of play over and over and over again. And the idea is that you could have this maybe projecting on your screen at the beginning of class or during Meet the Teacher night, or something where there's just information in the background that's important, but doesn't necessarily need to be synchronized with your instructions. So for example, here I have a list of maybe daily announcements. So I've got, a reminder that there's a lab tomorrow and what to wear, a reminder that there's a test Friday, and then just that I'm missing some lab safety sheets and some student names. All right, so to do a loop presentation, I make the slides just normally, right? I tap the plus button down here and I add all the slides I want to add. And these are just very basic bare bones slides. And then I'm going to tap these three circles up in the upper right-hand corner. And if I scroll down, I can get to presentation type. So right down here is presentation type. Now, I'm going to make this a looped presentation, okay? And I'm also going to make this self-playing. What that means is it's going to, when it gets to the end of the presentation, it's going to loop back to the beginning, all right? But this also, by self-playing, it progresses through the slides on its own. So a looped presentation would be one where I have to manually click through the slides, but when I get to the last one, it will loop it back to the beginning, but I still have to manually click. By turning on loop presentation and self-playing, it will now go through the presentation on its own and loop back through into this continual loop and this continual motion. That way, I can be talking, I can be doing all kinds of things, and yet this information is still kind of going on in the background. So here I'm on the first slide, and I'm just going to hit the play button, and you'll notice I have set it to about 2 seconds per slide. So I have my announcements going, and every 2 seconds it's going to go through these the slideshow. So 2 seconds might be a little bit fast, but I kind of wanted to show you for illustrative purposes how it can transition in between. So you can just have some announcements about maybe what the homework is tomorrow, or bell ringers, things like that. And it's just nice to having it playing in the background because it's not going to necessarily take class time, but you're still conveying the important information. All right, hope this helped out, and I hope you guys have fun with looped presentations. Thank you and good luck.